natin itong news na si General Torre ay relieved from his position as the top man in the Philippine National Police. Obviously, shocking yan sa maraming tao, dun sa mga ibang tao na they had foreknowledge of this. Last night pa lang daw, sobrang stress na stress sila. So, over the past few hours, kinakausap natin everyone who knows General Torre, who knows about the behind-the-scenes situation. I'm not gonna go into the details. A lot of these conversations were very confidential, especially with those really at very, very high levels of government. Ito lang masasabi natin, hindi po tapos ang laban. I think yung ating mga kadidiyas na kaibigan ay masyadong excited. Let me be absolutely clear. No matter what happens to General Torre, and maybe good things are actually gonna happen to him, malay niyo ba, baka ma-promote pa lalo in a certain way. This is the guy who has achieved more than any of his peers. Of course, everything was teamwork, but he has been at the forefront of archiving, what, not one, at least two, di ba? Notorious individuals na alleged mass criminals, no, or of people committing heinous crimes. So I think it's very hard to match that, and that's why President BBM remains very much fond of General Torre. So General Torre may no longer be the PNP chief. I'm sure it's a painful process for him and all, but guys, it's still very possible that he may end up in a cabinet or sub-cabinet position. I was thinking, why not Czar flood control investigation? Czar, diba? I think it would be a perfect position if ever that's offered to him. If ever he's gonna be the guy, kasi siya yung may tapang eh. Siya yung may talino, may tapang, and I think he has all the public support he needs. Grabe yung popularity niya, political capital niya. He can use that to good again, and this time against yung mga walang hiyang contractors, mga trapos, mga contractors, whatever you want to call them, yung mga district engineers, mga questionable people, who have been involved dito sa mga flood control scandal. And ako nga, sabi ko, bakit flood control lang titignan natin? Tingnan natin yung kalsada, bridge, buildings, ang dami pang pwedeng gawin. So, who knows, guys? Maybe this could be a blessing in disguise. Again, the devil's in the details. Is he gonna have the right mandate? Is he gonna have the right power? If ever he's gonna offer the czar position, and if ever what's going to be the dynamics? I think General Torre would prefer to directly deal with the president and not have to go through anyone else, right? And let's be honest, I'm sure marami nainggit sa kanya with all of his star rising, but I don't think this is a case of Icarus. I think there's a lot of room for redemption. I think this is more a case of Phoenix. But a couple of things have to come together. And from my own understanding and talking to people who are very much on top of this, there is really not only an off-ramp here, but actually there is a ramp here to 2028. So yung mga kadidiyas natin, huwag masyadong ma-excite. Marami pa mga plot twists na darating.